Hi guys, I welcome you back to second part of this video. And in the previous video, we've talked about how to register on Gido and how to earn money on Gido. Now, this video will be focusing on how to win star audition in Gido. That's what I promised in the previous video. So if you don't watch the previous one, make sure that you check it out and use the link below to register. So without further ado, let us get down to business. As we are saying, if you want to win the star audition on Gido, this is what you need to know. At first, you need, if your character, as you can see here, they said there are rewards for success or failure. If your character, so which means if you play this game, maybe you win or lose, you will still gain any reward. If you win, you can win like maybe 60%. If you win, you can get like 60%, but if you fail, you can get like 10%. So that's just the difference between the fail and win. Maybe you win or lose, but the idea here is to win, because our focus is to win. If you want to win, how can you win? In order for you to win, you need to get some items, which is called backpack. So your character needs some items. If your character does not have those items, you will not be able to pass the audition. If your character wants to pass the audition, this is what you need to get. Let us check their white paper. Now if I click on this small icon here, so I want to read the white paper for you to see. GeeDoll Star Audition, introducing the GeeDoll Star Audition. Welcome to the GeeDoll Star Audition, where every G app user receives a virtual Gido. Boost your star audition success by equipping your Gido with high level gear. The higher the gear level, the higher your star audition success rate. As you can see, that is just the rules. The higher the gear level, the higher your star audition success rate. So the more you collect those gear, so you will need something like headset, glasses, clothes, pants, cap, shoes, and so on like that. Now there are five stages. There are 5 stages in this star audition, each offering specific rewards. Stage 1, success or failure, earn ship. That means maybe you win or fail, you will still earn ships. Instead, same thing applicable to stage 2, while stage 3 and stage 4 and 5 as well. If you want to win this audition, this is how to make it done. How to successfully pass the star audition. Your GeeDoll success in the star audition hinges on the level of gear, headwear, facewear, top, gloves, pants, shoes is equipped with. Complete set of level 1 gear can 100% pass stage 1, which means, let's assume you get those items, they have levels. So let's assume you have already got stage 1 level, you've got all the items. So anytime you play the stage 1 games, it's very sure that you win. But if you don't have any of these items for stage 1, you cannot win. You will always fail. So if you want to win, you have to make sure that you need to get those items like caps, gear, headsets, glasses, clothes, and other items like that. Now if you want to get those items, how can you get those items? If you want to get those items, this is how you can get it. The first way to get it is that you have to complete those tasks, the daily tasks. So anytime you complete those daily tasks, they will be giving you lucky draw. So you will get lucky draw after 20 days of consecutive completed tasks. So after that 20 days, if I tap on this lucky draw for you to see, now as you can see here, you cannot do what, you will not be able to spin the wheel, so you can win any of these items. So once you got those items, and you can also use the NFT to get the items. That is one way to get the items. Another way to get those items is by team up to earn. Now how can you team up to earn? As you can see here, if I click on this team up to earn, so you will see something like these 5 dots. So I have to make sure that I team up with 5 people. Now this is the trick. If you want to get apparel for your character, you have to make sure that anytime you want to do your tasks, make sure that you team up first before you do your daily tasks. If you have done your daily tasks and you join the team later, you will not be rewarded any apparel. So that is the first mistake I did, because I'm new to the app that time. So but now it's no more. If you want to join the team, this is how you will do it. You click on this team up to hand, then you copy. It's either you join the team, you input your invitation code for other people to join you as well. So if you have been doing Satoshi mining and i5 mining, those people will have know what I'm talking about, where people exchange different cards like Satoshi card, raw card, anti card, and so on like that. So those people will be familiar with this. But if you are new to this is what you will do. First, as for sake of this tutorial, I don't want to waste my time, so I will just go to their Telegram channel by clicking on this button here. Go to their Telegram channel, and I will go and look for one code to use, so that I can just integrate it and join other team. So as you can see here, let me see. I want to locate for someone that his own team is just remain like maybe 1 or 2 slots. I think, let me see if this guy does not fill up. Let me check it out. Copy. Then you copy the code. Then get back to the G app. Paste the code here. Then tap on this small green button. Press enter. So currently group is no in position. That's means they are fill up. So I need to get another code. Let me check this guy. Okay, I think this guy remains 2 slots. Let me check him out. Then paste it here. Click on this button for you to join. Okay, this one is already filled up as well. Let me check the other guy. Let me check this guy out. Paste. Join. Yes, this guy is already filled up. So I have joined and we have already filled up here. As you can see, the team is already up to 5. Now, once you have successfully joined the team and they are up to 5, make sure that you wait till they are up to 5 before you start doing your daily tasks. So once all the people are up to 5, you can now do what? You can now click on start to start your daily tasks. Click on start to start watching video. Once you click on start, so you see something like go to home and watch 15 minutes video. Now you have to go click on it and make sure you wait for like 15 minutes. So you watch all the video. You can finally you can check all the video out. And sometimes they may bring this for you that you can even speed up your tasks by displaying small advertisements. I think they will bring it on. Let me keep watching. So let me get back. Now I'm going to pause the video, then come back once I complete the task. Okay guys, welcome back. Now this is what I'm talking about. I've already watched like 5 minutes, and I have been given another speed up for 6 minutes. So this is what I'm telling you. Once you click on that speed up for that 6 minutes, they will display like 30 seconds advertisement. So which means out of that remaining 15 minutes, they will minus 6 minutes from it. Then you have to watch the remaining advertisement like that. Now if I click on speed up for 6 minutes, the another advertisement for 30 seconds will display. Make sure you watch it before you close the ads. Now the close button has appeared. You can just click close. Then as you can see here, it has been speed up. Now I have 4 minutes left to finish this task. Now I have to get back to watch the remaining 4 minutes again, then come back and see how it works. The most interesting thing about this app is that if you watch video, you will earn. If you like video, you will earn. If you comment, you will even earn. And if you also post video, so you can post video too by going to this tab, by publishing video here. If you publish video and people like it or something like that, they will give you something. So that is the most interesting thing about this app, because this is Web3. You have to make sure you are interacting with the platform that will be rewarding you, not the platform that will be taking your data every time without any reward. So make sure you buckle up. Okay, since I'm done with my own today task, now I've watched the 15 minutes video. I speed up for 6 minutes, use the remaining minutes to watch, then I do what? I already finished the task for today. So after you team up and you watch the video, then you just have to click on get. Once you click on get, you notice that this place, this apparel pack here, will increase. So if I click on get, so you'll be given this apparel pack. So it's already after that you have to open it. Now if I click, I've already did this one for like 2 days ago, and I also did this yesterday. Now if I click open, so I'll be given one pack. So I was given cap, so I cannot put it in backpack. So that is how you will be getting apparel. I think you can find all your apparels here. Okay, I already got 2 cap. As you can see, level 1. All these apparel are for level 1 star audition game. That is how you will be claiming. And you can also use NFT, but I don't think they have released that version yet. So once you have those pack, although you can keep playing, so you can keep playing if you tap on play. So as you can see, you have already earned 30,000 sheep. You can keep playing till you get all the star audition. So once you keep playing and you get all the items and you wear it for your character, if all the items are compatible for stage 1, which means anytime you play stage 1 game, you will be winning. So there is no lose for you anymore like that. You will be winning every time, except all those items are not completed yet. So that's where you can fail. I think someone wins $100 worth of BTC here. Let me show you the screenshot. This is the image. As you can see here, someone wins 0.003200 BTC. I think it's equivalent to $100. So as you can see, the character here, the character have many ways. You need to get all those items before you can win the audition. I've already failed for today as well. And I have to wait for this one to display as well. If you don't know how to do this, I've already said this in the previous video. You can check it out so that I will not be repeating every time. I just show you on how to get more apparel here, and how to team up, and how to boost your earning. So that is how you will be getting those apparels, and all our coin will be transferable once they release new fashion. So just keep doing it, so don't relent. And another cool way to earn on this app is that you can use many ways to earn. If you tap on this white icon here, you will see many ways to earn. How to play GeeDoll NFT, browse to earn. You can browse to earn. And those NFT, if you browse to earn and you win NFT, those NFT can be used to get buy pack, to get apparel for your character, so that you can use this for your star audition. And another way is brush to earn. So if you want to brush to earn, this is what you have to do. You have to invite friends for multiple bonus rewards. Teaming up increases the chances of obtaining equipment boxes. That is what I told you earlier. You have to team up with 5 people. Once you team up with 5 people, then you watch video for 15 minutes, then you click on get, and you'll be getting apparel. Add NFTs and watch short videos to boost earnings. Earn GT rewards through GT airdrops. I think so. That is for Gido. And for the short video, if you create video, if you publish video, you will do what? If you publish video, you will earn. If you like, follow fans, you will also earn. You have to watch videos, search for videos, like, comment and share, follow users, tags, progress. That's another way to earn on this Gido app. I think you have already learned something. Now I've already created a community where we can also team up, so that we won't be wasting our time. We can just team up at once, then boost our earning. This is the Telegram channel. You can join. This is the community. We are already 5 members. You can also join, so that we can team up together. And if you have any question, you can just ask from this channel, from this group, sorry. So you ask any question, we also team up to boost our earning. And if later on Gido apparel can be shared with others, we can also be sharing apparel together as well. So that's it. I think you've already learned something from this video. If you love this video, don't forget to subscribe. If you are already my subscriber, don't forget to turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be the first among people to see my updates. And don't forget to share with others as well, for people to see what is going on around Web3, because this is Web3. You have to buckle up. So don't fail on any project that is coming your way. So that's it, guys. See you in the next one. Bye for now.